Yes, we are back. Okay, and just tell me like a single line that what you felt after watching this 30 moments. Just give me a one line. That's it from everybody.
Very energetic.
Yes, Hema, go ahead.
Very energetic.
Okay, thank you. And yes, who wants to go next? Yes, Binay. So Binay is ready. He's getting ready to start this 30 moments. Yes, Binay, what you got a single line answer after seeing a single line statement that you wanted to give by watching this 30 moments.
So I can do all these steps. So that's like confidence.
Okay, great. Okay, who wants to go next? Yes, Lissy, go ahead. So actually, I'm having multiple screens here. Okay, so to capture each and everything, like what's exactly happening, and I want to monitor everybody without missing. So I'm just adjusted two screens over here. Okay, so great. And whoever is fine to switch on your videos, go ahead and switch on your videos. Okay. No issues, Dipesh. Okay, I understand. Okay, great. So here we go, the 30 things, and please let me know at what step you are feeling like uncomfortable. Okay, so tomorrow and day after tomorrow we are going to improvise that. Okay, great. And if you see, just 2 days of time we took, and 16 steps you are able to remember. Okay, and just imagine the same thing if you are practicing. Okay, if you are practicing just a time, okay, only one time in a day, or if you try to shoot on your mobile, okay, by keeping somewhere and try to self shoot your dance movements, unknowingly you will practice for the perfection. You will practice for more times, and obviously you will get grip into that one. Okay, so that's the main part over here. Okay, let's get started off this 30 moments. Okay, great. So whoever feeling comfortable, please go on and switch on your videos. Thank you so much. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one will be like this, touching this one. Okay, so you need to keep your hands like this, or the fifth moment will be like this. So ding, check, think, check, think, check. Okay, so 1 down, 2 down, 3 up, 4 up, ding, check. Okay, so right down, left down, right top, left top, ding, check. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, ding, check. Okay, so can you please try all of you these 5 moments once? What is 1? Yes. 2, 3, 4. Yes. Ding, check. Okay. So let me play music and only use this 5 moments. Okay. So I'm not going to show you now, and you people are the ones needs to do that. Okay, so let me play a music.
தட்லாட்டோந்தாங்க தரலாங்க சாங்க உள்ளார வந்தானா பொல்லாத வேங்க தட்லாட்டோந்தாங்க தரலாங்க சாங்க உள்ளார வந்தானா பொல்லாத வேங்க திம்ராம வாங்க பல்பாயிடுவீங்க முறப்போட நிப்பானா முட்டாம போங்க எத்தான் நந்து வரான் கேட்ட எல்லாம் கண்டு வரான் வெடிய ஒன்று போட்டு தில்லால ஸ்லீவ சுருட்டி வரான் காலரை தான் பெரட்டி வரான் முடிய சில்பி விட்டா ஏறும் உள்ளார மரணம்
Yes. Go ahead.
मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी तेरे अपने शहर वाले मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी तेरे अपने शहर वाले हो मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा
गजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना गजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ गजरा रे
Okay, so what you felt now? Okay, so you are bringing some rhythm, right? Now with two different musics, I'm observing now. You people have started enjoying the music and changing little bit of improvisations towards the moment. Okay, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Okay, so now next set. Okay, so this is one. This is one where I'm keeping my leg like this. 1, 2. Okay, so you might have observed in a lot of songs. So this is the step actually. Okay, so to bring out this step, I'm telling 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so this one already, this leg movement we already know, right? Bringing this one and Kajra Re step already told. The same thing I'm doing with the hands stretching to right and left. Okay, so the next one will be, so 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, so to the right corner. So this is my right corner, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the same step you can improvise like this also, like 1, 2, 1, 2. And like this also, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you can fish movements like 1, 2, 1, 2. Anyways, okay, but the basic movement, so 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so this is the first set. Just now we have seen, and Okay. And then just let me know what is our beginning step, very first step. Very first step. Okay, so this one, right? Okay, so now I am improvising the same step here, the third set, like so my leg. Okay, the same step, I am keeping my leg like this. Yes. Okay, so once we done that, the next one, it's very simple, just it's a walking step. So one right, two right, three back, sorry, one right, two left, three back, four back. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so while doing that 1, 2, 3, 4, I am doing this one. Okay, this is the second dance movement, if you remember. So how I am doing like this? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Okay, so in these 30 movements, you will see the improvisation and mixing parts of our beginning steps also. Okay, so that like you will feel energetic and more ease in learning these steps. Okay, that's the understanding is. Okay, so for example, if I lock my hands in the back, do the same step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we are just walking, but I'm using this one also. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I am walking, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there is no grace, okay, or there is no rhythm. So to bring rhythm, what I am doing? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I am using my hand movements also. This step is there, right? I am using for this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Okay. Yes. So in today's 30 movements, what is the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7. Okay. 7. And what's the 8th one? X. Thanks, Emma. Okay. And 9th one? So I am telling this one as 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So again, I'm repeating this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. This is the 6. 7. Okay. And 8. Okay. And 9, 10, 11, 12. Great. So let me play music. one. Start from one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is this one. Okay. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Dhum dhum da na 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 dhum dhum agappa. Dhum dhum da na na de na 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 dhum dhum agasa. Ragda dhum da 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 di ra na 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 na. Da 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 dhum da 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 dhum da da dhum 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 da na 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 di na 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 dhum da na di ra na. Gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Da na di ra na. Gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Gama bala, gama, gama bala, gama esa. Gama bala, gama, gama bala, gama esa. Gama bani pa gama, gama bala, gama esa. Za 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 gama basa, gama. I'm in love with your body.
Yes. Okay. So now, so today 12, yesterday is 10, 22, 22 plus 6, 28. Okay. So this 28 from the first onwards, let's try to revise. Okay. So in this way we can remember what is 1. The first one, the topmost one. Yes. Beginning 1. What is 2? 2. Great. 3. So it is 3.
Yeah, 3.
4. Yes. 5. Yes. 6. Super. Super. And yesterday's first movement. No, this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Second one. Yes, knees. Third. Okay. The third. Fourth.
Head.
Only head movement. Fifth. Okay. And 6. Okay. 6 I told, right? What is 7 and 8? Yes. So that is 7. What is 8? Yes. 9 and 10? 9 and 10? Yes. 9 and 10. Okay. And what is today's first movement? What is today's first movement? 2, 3, 4, 5. So try to remember this step as think check. Okay, think check. Think check. Yes. Okay, so that is 5. And what is 6? Yeah, so this is 6. And 7. Yes. Okay. And what is 8? So the leg. So how the leg is coming? See. Okay. And 9, 10, 11, 12. What is that? 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 9, 10, 11, 12. So kindly look at my legs once. Okay. So 9, 10, 11, 12. One step forward, second step forward, backward, backward. So I'm doing like this. So while I'm doing like this, I'm just using my hand movements. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many of you are comfortable if I take like 15 more minutes? Okay, no issue for everybody, right? If somebody is having issue, please let me know in the chat box. If anybody is having issue. So, shall I continue?
busy.
Oh, you, Binoy, are you busy?
Yeah.
Okay. So little busy, okay, that's for Binoy. Okay, no issues. So then we can continue. So for everybody is comfortable, we can continue the remaining steps tomorrow. Okay, so and today's assignment, and it will be very clear. Please go through that one and just see that. Okay, it will be simple only. And try to practice these 3 days, day 3, day 4, day 5. Okay, so with you will have some favorite music or some favorite song, right? So try to do the same movements for that song or music. Okay, so for that song or music, and my sincere recommendation is try to record your own steps, own movements. Okay, no need to share with anybody. Don't. It's up to you. No need to share. Okay, so there is no compulsion from my side that you have to submit that video as assignment. No. Okay, so there is a privacy issue, security issues, lot of things we should consider. But try to self-shoot your dance movements, your practice session, and then kindly have a look on that. Okay, so it helps a lot. Trust me, it helps a lot. So try to do that. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed today's session, and tomorrow in the first half itself, we will complete the remaining steps of 30 movements, and we will start. Let me tell you, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, completely we are working on improvisations. Improvisation means if I see this step is there, right? Okay, so this step like this I am doing. So during the time, how I am touching, am I touching or not of the second thing? If I touch, how it will be? If I am not touching, how it will be? See, for example, here I am not touching. Okay, so if I am touching like this, so now it is a broad movement. So for some musics, we are giving light movement. For some music, we are giving broad movement. Okay, so that one, those type of improvisations we are working tomorrow and after tomorrow. Okay, so in that way, we will bring the dance into our life, and let's make that one as our best buddy. Okay, so thank you so much and for your nice participation even today. Okay, and tomorrow and after tomorrow, we will rock it. Okay, thank you, Nazmi, thank you, Siri, thank you, Lissy, thank you, Joseph, thanks, Hema, thanks, Vasundhara, thanks, Janani.
Thank you
Thanks,
so much,
Dhananjay.
Samir.
Yes, Hema.
Thank you so much, but I never thought that I would be doing all these things. And it was so much fun doing it today. And I'm sure my whole day is going to be very nice today. Thank you so much.
Yes. You will feel that, and there are a lot more days, Hema. Okay, so there are a lot more days wherever now people sometimes like they will not start doing this before the public. That moment will come, right? One first appreciation will come, right? Okay, so my feel or somebody's feel, I'll enjoy that feel. Okay, when that first appreciation will come, and that is in all our hands, right? How fast we are getting it and how soon we are receiving those appreciations is into our hands. Okay, but I'm seeing the same commitment from your side also, Hema, Lissy, and everybody. Okay, so I'm seeing that commitment from day one onwards. We can do that.
Thank you. It was very robotic before, I mean, now I'm feeling it's little bit rhythmic. Otherwise, I mean, I don't have the sense of movement and the rhythm. I mean, I don't know what to do, what step at what music. It just goes off. But here, I'm just getting it hang on. And the way you are teaching is really good. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Hema. And that's the reason. You mentioned one word, right? Like robotic. Okay, so I just wanted to win over that robotic thing. So that's why 2 days 2 hours were completely working on improvisations.
Yeah.
So that is how we will bring flexibility and that rhythm into our body.
Yes. Thank you.
Thanks, Hema.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Bye.
Thank you, Lizzie.
Same to you.
Good day.